Grammy. You looking for Titi? Who's that, Nana? There she is. Where's Grammy? Good job. Where's Nana? Good. Where's Titi? Good job. Are you going to call him on the phone? Okay. Ty, you got 1 week to get this perfect, and you're pretty close. And then we'll work on the extended family. Well, boys are next. You got a lot to learn, kid. Where's Titi? There she is. Where's Nana? Where's Nana? Good. Where's Grammy? Grammy. Good job. Let's go get the